Okay, so then for the last part, I'm going to talk about reciprocal trig functions, but I am also going to teach you a quick trick to help you memorize these trig functions. So there's the first trig function we're going to look at is called secant. Okay, a secant function. We write it as SEC. That's the function notation for secant. Now, secant starts with S, right? So then I think of this as reciprocal of cosine. Secant starts with S, but a trig function that starts with a letter other than S, I'm going to think of it as reciprocal of cosine. Then what about cosecant? Oops, I don't think that's how you spell cosecant. Cosecant is CSC. That's the function notation for cosecant. Cosecant starts with S. And guess what? That is a reciprocal of, cosecant starts with C, and it's a reciprocal of a sine function. So hopefully you see the pattern here. Secant starts with S, and it's a reciprocal of a cosine. Cosecant starts with C, and it's a reciprocal of sine function. Okay? And then last one is cotangent. And that one is the easiest one to remember. Cotangent is the COT. Cotangent is a reciprocal of, obviously, tangent of x. Reciprocal of tangent. Okay? So cotangent, I don't think there's really a trick needed for that. It has the word tangent in it, so it's a reciprocal of tangent. I'm going to give you another definition of cotangent. Cotangent can also be cosine divided by sine. So cotangent, you can say that this is a reciprocal of a tangent, or you can also say cosine divided by a sine. The reason for that is because of tangent. Tangent itself, it's sine divided by cosine, right? That's a definition of tangent. So if you're doing cotangent, which is a reciprocal of tangent, you're basically flipping tangent, flip it upside down. So that's cosine divided by sine. That's why cotangent has two definitions. You could say it's 1 over tangent, or you could also say reciprocal of tangent, which is cosine divided by sine. Sometimes this is easier or more useful to use. Sometimes this one is more useful to use for definition of cotangent. It depends on the problem. Okay?